Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 3 and the subject is English for today. Today's thought: if you want something you have never done or you have never had, you have got to do something you have never done. This thought means that if you want to achieve something which no one has achieved in the world, then definitely you have to do something unique. You have to do something that no one else has done, and then only you can achieve something different. So do something new and keep surprising others with your new achievements. Good habits that you should follow every day are: get up early. What should you do? You should get up early every day in the morning. Brush your teeth daily. Never miss a single day while brushing. Have a bath daily. Never skip bathing. Even when you are not well, you should take bath so that germs will not be there on your body. Do your homework. Before you go out for playing, do your homework and then play as much as you want to. But first priority should be given to your homework. Always use the dustbin for throwing the garbage. Never ever throw it on the road. Don't make your surroundings dirty. Please, if you see anyone throwing it outside, tell them not to do it. It's bad habit. Wash hands before meals. Before you have your lunch, breakfast, dinner, whatever you eat, before that wash your hands. Eat healthy food. Avoid going out to the restaurants. Avoid going out anywhere outside for eating. Just eat homemade food. Even if you are attracted by the food outside, please don't eat the food outside. Eat at home. Especially during this time of COVID-19, please take care of yourself. Respect elders. Whatever your parents teach you or tell you to do, you have to obey at once. So respect them. So in today's video, we shall continue with the revision for our essay 2 exam. And you know that we are going to revise a new chapter today. That is chapter number 9, A Dream Come True. First of all, we'll see the summary of the chapter. We will understand the lesson. Explanation I'll give once again. We will also revise the notes of the chapter. And if possible, we will also solve the worksheet of the chapter if we have enough time. So let us read lesson 9, A Dream Come True. You may open your textbook if you have it, else just look at the video carefully. Chapter 9, A Dream Come True. You know what is the meaning of the chapter? We see a dream while we are sleeping at night. We see a dream sometimes and we work hard to achieve that dream, and finally we achieve that dream. So this is a kind of lesson where there is a girl and her dream comes true. That is the name of lesson. About the story. So before we go into the reading of the chapter, let us see what is there in the story, the summary of the lesson. This is a picture story about two girls. What are the names? Reena and Sarah. This story is about the two girls. The main characters of the story are Reena and Sarah. Reena works as the household help in Sarah's house. Household help means as a servant, you can say. Reena is working in Sarah's house. She is doing the work of cooking, cleaning and all other work. So Reena is a helper in Sarah's house. Though she is 19 years old, she does not know how to read and write. So who is 19 years old? Reena. Reena is working in Sarah's house. She is 19 years old. She is an adult, because after 18 you become an adult. So Reena still does not know how to read from the book, and she does not know how to write. See, 19 years old means completed 12th standard also, but still she does not know how to read or write. She longs to be able to read and write. Means longs means she wishes. Reena has the wish. She wants to read and she wants to write, but how could she do it? So one morning, when Reena comes to work, she is surprised. So as usual, Reena comes in the morning to Sara's house and starts working. So one morning it was a surprise for Reena to find Sara's father waiting to teach her how to read, write and count. So that morning when Reena entered the house, in Sara's house for working, Sara's father said to Reena that today you will not work. From today I will teach you. I will give you tuitions. Like how some people go to tuitions and they learn over there. You come to school. So same way, Sara's father said to Reena that I will become your teacher and I will teach you how to read, write and count. On being asked how this happened, Sara replies that she persuaded her father to give Reena a break from work and help her learn reading and writing. So, when Reena said to Sara, how did this happen? How did your father how did your father become my teacher? Means why your father agreed? Then Sara said that I told my father, I requested my father to teach you reading, writing and counting so that she could realize a dream of studying, because Sara knew that Reena wants to read, write, and so Sara helped Reena by telling her father to teach her. So this is the story, and now we shall read the story in detail. One day, see, this is Reena sweeping the floor. This is Sara sitting with cat and reading. See, Sara is reading. Can you see? So, Reena said, I am 19, but I can't read. How I wish I could read. So, Reena is thinking. Reena is watching that Sara is reading. And this girl Reena also wants to read and write. She also has that wish. You know, when you see someone reading so nicely, you also want to read. But Reena does not know how to read. Then see, Reena asked Sara. Reena is asking, she is sweeping the floor and asking the question. What did she ask? What are you reading, Sara? Reena asked Sara. See, this girl is Sara. So Reena asked Sara, what are you reading? Then Sara gave the answer. I am reading a book called The Little Princess. Sara, what did she tell Reena? Sara said that I am reading one book. And what is the name of the book that she is reading, this red color? The Little Princess. This is the name of the book Sara was reading. Or the story's name, you can say, story book. The girl in the book seems just like me. So Sara is telling Reena that in this book there is a girl and she is just like Sara. She loves reading and her name is Sara too. Sara too means the girl in the story. In the story there is a girl, there is one character in the story. Her name is also Sara. Just like this girl who is reading the book, her name is Sara. Same way there is a book and the character in the story is Sara. So Sara said to Reena that I am reading a story. In that story there is a girl and that girl's name is also like my name. Her name is Sara. And she likes reading and writing. This kind-hearted princess helps all the people by making their dreams come true. So who is that kind-hearted princess? Sara. In the book, the character of the story, Sara is a kind-hearted girl. Means she is helpful. She helps all the people. And Why does she help the people? She helps the people to make their dreams come true. If someone has a dream, then Sarah helps that people to make their dreams come true. So all these things Sarah told Reena about the girl in the book. That night Reena had a dream. See, Reena is sleeping peacefully on her bed, and she has completed the work, all the household work she has completed, and now she is sleeping. And you know, when you sleep at night, we have dreams. We see so many dreams at night while we are asleep. When we are in the deep sleep, especially at that time, we see some or the other dream. Not every day, but sometimes we see the dreams. So what is the dream? See over here. This was a dream of Reena. What did she see? That she is reading. This is a dream, not reality, but it was the dream that she was reading. And that night, Reena had a dream when she talked with Sarah and she slept, and she had a dream that she was reading. Next morning, she woke up. She was sleeping so peacefully at night that she woke up late. Reena, it is late. Let me go to work. So Reena woke up very late that morning, and she said to herself, she was talking with herself that, oh, she has got very late and she should go to Sarah's house for work as usual. So when Reena reached Sarah's house for work as usual, every day she used to go to Sarah's house for work. That day what happened? Who is sitting here? Father of Sarah. This man is father of Sarah. What did he say to Reena? From today, I will be teaching you every morning. So Sarah's father said to Reena that from today, from every morning, from today I will teach you. But I have work to do. So Reena was confused that how can she sit and learn from Sarah's father, because she is a kind of servant, she is a helper and she has to do all the household work. Then what did Sarah's father say? From now, you will not work in the morning. Instead, you will learn to read, write, count and add. So, Sarah's father was so kind that he said to Reena that from today, in the morning, you will not do any work. From morning till afternoon, I will teach you. What will he teach Reena? He will teach Reena how to read from the book, how to write words, alphabets, how to count, addition, subtraction, multiplication and addition. So all these things Reena will learn from now onwards from Sarah's father. That is what he said. And obviously Reena was very happy that the dream that she had seen the previous night, that dream had come true. But how did this happen suddenly? Can you guess? How did this happen? All the students. Do you know who told Sarah's father to teach Reena? How did this happen? Yes, you know the answer. Now see, Reena is also thinking just like we are all thinking. God bless whoever has made my dream come true. But I wonder who it could be. So Reena is giving blessings. Reena is wishing good for the person who has helped Reena. Because suddenly Sarah's father said, I will teach you. So Reena was confused that who did this? Who told Sarah's father that I want to read and write? But Reena does not know the name of that person. But still she is giving blessings. She is saying that that person who helped me should be happy in life. So here came Sarah. This is Sarah and this is Reena again. Ha ha, it was me. So now you know who helped Reena. Sarah had helped Reena. So Sarah finally came to Reena and said, yes, it was me. Means Sarah had told her father. Now you understood? Thank you, Sarah. How did you do it? So Reena said thank you to Sarah, that thank you for helping me, thank you for making my dream come true, but how did you do it? How was it possible? Then Sarah said, I told my father to give you a break from work to learn how to read and write. So this is what Sarah did when Reena was sleeping at night. At that time, when she was seeing the dream, at that time Sarah was talking with her father. And Sarah said to her father, Sarah requested her father to teach Reena reading and writing. And this is how Reena's dream came true, because of the girl whose name was Sarah. A few months later, 1 month means 30 days. So a few months later, means after 2 or 3 months you can say, or after 90 days, 60 or 90 days. See now, Reena is sitting on a chair. She is writing something. So, like the kind-hearted princess, Sarah made my dreams come true. I am so happy. So Reena is writing in the book. She is writing a diary. And now she knows how to read and write. What is she writing? Like a kind-hearted princess, Sarah made my dreams come true. I am so happy. So she is writing thank you to Sarah, that she is a very kind-hearted, means she is very polite, she is very helpful, that she helped me and she helped me to make my dream come true, and her dream was to read and write. So finally her dream came true because of Sarah. So she is writing a thank you note for Sarah in her diary, and this shows that she has already learnt how to read and write. So here comes the end of the story. Now let us see how much you understood from the chapter. We have revised this chapter. We have not done this for the first time. We have already learnt the lesson previously while I taught you for the first time. You might have watched the video, and today we revised. Now some questions are there which are just for your knowledge. You need not write the questions in your book. You just have to give the answers orally. Let's see number 1. How old is Reena? Reena's age is asked. Do you know Reena's age? Reena is 19 years old. I told you it completed 12th standard and she is an adult now. So age of Reena is asked. What is the age of Reena? Reena is 19 years old. If it is asked, you have to write NINETEEN, 19. Reena is 19 years old. Number 2. What does she want to do? She means Reena. What is her wish? What does she want to do? She wants to learn how to read and write. What does she want to learn? Reena has a dream. She wants to learn how to read, how to write. Number 3. Who is Sarah? So in this story, a dream come true. Who is Sarah? Sarah is a kind-hearted girl. Who is Sarah? Sarah is a kind-hearted girl who helps others by making their dream come true. Sarah is a kind-hearted girl and she is helpful and she helps everyone for making their dreams come true. Question 4. What book is she reading? Now in the beginning we saw that Sarah was sitting on a sofa and she was reading a book and the cat was beside her. So what was the book that she was reading? She is reading a book called The Little Princess. That is the name of the book which she was reading. The Little Princess. So here you see T, L and P are capital because it is the name of the book. Question 5. Describe the main character in the book. Which are the main characters in the story that she is reading? The girl in the book seems just like Sarah. She loves reading and her name is also Sarah. The kind-hearted princess helps the people by making their dreams come true. This is the girl whose name is Sarah. Not Sarah, not the real one, which was reading the book. This Sarah is Sarah who was in the storybook. And her name was also like the girl who was reading the story, Sarah. So we have two Sarahs in this lesson. One who is reading the book, whose house it was, that was Sarah, and one was the character in the story, not the real girl. Her name is also Sarah, and she is very kind-hearted princess who helps others to make their dreams come true. Whom does Reena meet the following morning? Means the next morning, the next day when Reena woke up late. Whom did she see? Whom did she meet? Reena met Sarah's father the following morning. Following means next day, the second day. So she went for work and already Sarah's father was waiting for Reena, and Reena met Sarah's father. Who fulfilled Reena's dream? The last question for the lesson's understanding. Who helped Reena? We know that Reena's dream came true because of one girl, and that girl's name is Sarah. Sarah fulfilled Reena's dream. Fulfill means completed. Sarah completed or Sarah fulfilled Reena's dream. And how did she do it? She told her father, she requested her father to teach Reena. And this is how Reena fulfilled Sarah's dream. So, we completed reading the questions from the text. Now let us read the notes which you have already written in the fair book. Let's revise. Here is lesson 9, A Dream Come True notes. You just have to write this one time in today's homework. Let us read hard words. NINETEEN 19, READING reading, PRINCESS princess, KINDHEARTED kind-hearted, DREAM dream, TEACHING teaching, INSTEAD instead, WONDER wonder, BREAK break, WHOEVER whoever. Now let's learn meanings. Let's revise the meanings. Seems, looks. Seems, looks. Number 2, kind-hearted, helpful. Kind-hearted, helpful. Number 3, wonder, doubt. Wonder, doubt. Number 4, break, free time. Break, free time. Give one word. A female member of a royal family, usually the daughter of a king or queen. So daughter of king or queen is called princess. PRINCESS princess. A series of events that you see only in your mind while you are asleep. While sleeping at night, what do we see? We have a dream sometimes. DREAM dream. Question answers. Number 1, what was Reena doing when Sarah was reading? Rina was sweeping the floor. When Sarah was reading, you saw that in the image, right? Rina was sweeping the floor and Sarah was reading. Number 2, what was Rina curious about? Why was she so excited or so happy? Rina was curious about what Sarah was reading. Means Rina wanted to know what was Sarah reading so intently, so indulged in the book Sarah was. So Rina was curious. She wanted to know what Sarah was reading. What dream did Rina have at night when Rina slept that day? What was the dream that she had? Rina had a dream that she was reading. You saw that in the image. She was asleep on a bed and she was thinking, she was asleep and she had a dream that she was reading. Question 4. What did Rina learn? Finally, from Sarah's father, she learnt something. What was that she learnt? Rina learnt to read, write, and count and add. Rina learnt these things: reading, writing, counting, and learning from Sarah's father. So, do you think Sarah was a smart girl? Of course, yes. Yes, Sarah was a smart girl because she thought of helping Rina and she convinced her father to help Rina, to help her how to read, write, and yes, she was smart, we can say that. Make sentence from the words which are given. Number 1, kind-hearted. Sarah was a kind-hearted girl who helped Rina, because kind-hearted people will always help others. They will always do good for others. That are kind-hearted people. So, Sarah was a kind-hearted girl who helped Rina. Number 2, wander. Rina wondered. Who helped her? Rina was thinking. Rina wondered. Wondered means think, to think. So, Rina wondered who helped her because she did not know. Break. Rina got a break from her work. Break means free time. You have recess time when you come to school. So, that is your break time, free time. Rina got a break from her work, and in the morning she does not have to do the work. Sarah's father will teach her. 19. This is a number. Rina was 19 years old. This you can write yourself. Princess. Sarah was a kind-hearted princess. Princess is the girl who is daughter of king or queen. So Sarah was a kind-hearted princess. Looks very beautiful princess. So here we complete our today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. You revised your lesson 9 with me. And one time you have to write the notes of the lesson in rough book. That's your homework. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself and stay at home.